Hare Krishna. Okay, so welcome po sa aking YouTube channel, Homeless na Hare Krishna. Okay, so ngayon ay Saturday. So as usual, pupunta tayo ng Krishna Balaram Ashram. So ang oras ngayon ay 5:30 na. So parang madilim na. So ayun guys, sakto dala ko yung yung ginawa kong necklace. Rade, di ba? Maganda. So, kung sino man yung mga devotees na gustong magpa-customize ng mga necklace, pwede din picture ng guru ninyo or ni Srila Prabhupada, Krishna, ayun, pwede nating i-customize yan. Alright, so, ayun guys. So, ayun, papunta ako ng sakayan ulit. Siyempre, carousel. Dahil, pag jeep kasi parang pagod na pagod ka. Pagdating mo dun, pagod na pagod ka, no? So, ayun guys, maraming salamat po pala sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-follow sa ating YouTube channel. And also, syempre, doon din sa Facebook page. So, sa Facebook page, more on, parang bala ko na lang yata, puro na lang doon, discussion about the philosophy of Krishna consciousness. Then, pag yung mga vlog is dito na lang sa YouTube channel. Homeless na Hare Krishna. Alright, so, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-subscribe. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So, marami pa po akong naiisip, mga idea na pwedeng share ko sa inyo. Mga services sa Guru Seva. And, ayun guys, so hopefully maging successful ang ating program sa March 1, hopefully. So titignan lang natin. Krishna is the supreme controller, no? Iswara Paramaha Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadir Govinda Sarva Karana. So Krishna is the supreme controller. Siyang bahala na. Krishna in Krishna's will. Yeah? So hopefully maging maayos ang ating program. Sana hindi umulan, ganun. So, yun, March 1 is the appearance day of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada. And also, sa Lunes is appearance day ng aming Gurudev, Vidyalankar Srila Bhaktivedanta Madhav Goswami Maharaj. So, just in case na walang program or walang mag-facilitate ng program sa temple, sa appearance din ng aming Gurudev, then ang gagawin ko na lang, magre-record na lang ako ng video and in the form of sharing or glorification of my Gurudev, Pushpanjali, i-explain ko yung sa aking realization, no? I-explain ko yung meaning ng pranam mantra, yung second pranam mantra ng aming Gurudev, that is Sakshat Guru Seva Murte Shabda Brahmani Pratistitaha Patita Pavan Charitra Narayanan Priyoho Namaha. And yung yung meaning ng Vidyalankar Bani. Okay, so malapit na ako. See you there. Krishna Balaram Ashram. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva. Oh, kalaw. So dito yung sakayan ng carousel. Alright. Medyo wala pang masyadong sakay. Yahoo! Okay, so andito na ako. Ang nabutan ko is ice breaking. So ang ice breaking nila ngayon is ano yung feeling mo after mo mag-chant.
Kasi mahirap talaga mag-practice ng
Ayan, so nabibigyan ng pagkakataon yung bawat isa magbigay ng kanilang realizations, gano'n. Hare Krishna. So ako naman, ang masishare ko lang naman is, ano yan ulit? Ano yung
How do you feel after chanting the
after
Hare
chanting the Hare Krishna mantra? So, sa akin naman, sabi sa akin ng aking Gurudev, sabi niya na, you should not chant externally. You chant internally. Ibig sabihin, do not show you are chanting or you're performing kirtan, but you chant internally. So following this instruction, habang nag-chant ako, and also, napaka-importante sa atin to ask siksha, instruction on how to chant the holy name. So isa pang instruction sa akin is, I should remember how my Gurudev served his Gurudev. How he, paano niya i-assist yung kanyang Gurudev in serving his Gurudev, like this, Guru Parampara. So remembering this habang nag-chant ako and trying to follow his instruction, then after ko mag-chant, of course, lahat naman tayo, we feel so happy. Yayatma suprasidati, we feel like, it's satisfied. We feel satisfied. Pero pag after natin, parang Chinese na naging after natin mag-chant is, if we feel still disturbed, and at kung medyo nawawalan na tayo ng chant, ng taste to chant the holy name, we should remember na, we should understand that we are committing Vaishnav aparad. Pag meron tayong, itong Vaishnav aparad is, param aparad. Satam ninda namnaha param aparadam bitanute. Param means topmost. Aparad means offense. So satam ninda, offense to the devotees is the topmost offense sa holy name. So therefore, sa ating pag-chant, we should always remember and always lagi nating i-remind that we should try to not to commit offense to the devotees, even though through externally or verbally, ganun. Ay, internally or verbally, like this. Minsan, iniisip natin, ganito yung devotee. Habang nag-chant, iniisip mo yung isang devotee. Di ba? Parang ganun. So, ang may share ko lang is, if we chant the holy name according sa teachings ni Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we should focus lang sa holy name. We should try to hear the holy name. And meron dalawa kasing klase ng sound. Yung sound na naririnig natin na linalabas ng ating lips, through our lips, no? Ito yung external sound, yung naririnig natin through our ears. And yung isang sound is subtle sound, the sound sa ating mind. So externally, we should hear the holy name through our ears, and we should not hear yung sound sa ating subconscious body that is from the mind. So mayroon pa rin tayong naiisip, no? Gusto pumunta ng Paris, no? Minsan ganun, di ba? So kailangan focus lang talaga, kaya sa tinawag na Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. Shravana means hearing the holy name. Kirtana means engaging our lips in chanting the holy name and remembering the holy name. So itong Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam is para siyang isang like thread, isang line lang siya. So it comes at once, like ganun. So that is, yun lang yung aking share about chanting the holy name. Hare Krishna. Next one. Okay, Hare Krishna. So itong part naman na to is sharing naman about sa nabasa. Sa nabasa. Maybe nasa kanina yung ating facilitator. So about chanting the holy name, benefits na chanting the holy name. Then after niyang magbasa, then ulit mabibigyan ng mga devotees the chance to share their realization related sa nabasa na sa book. Okay. Hare Krishna. Para matapos, no? Hare Krishna. Ulit, good evening ulit. So, dahil kanina glinorify ko yung etong Krishna Balaram Ashram, that this is a very purifying activity and very spiritual, no? Kasi we are sharing about Krishna consciousness na Krishna conscious topics. Okay, so sa application ko naman para doon sa sinabi ko kanina, I always try my best to attend sa Krishna dito sa Krishna Balaram Ashram dito sa Jose, itong Bhakti Vriksha. Dahil it's actually it's my first, I feel paano ba? Huwag na kasi i-English. Yung ano lang, Tagalog lang. Wait. Parang feeling ko laging first time ko pag pumupunta ako dito, pag umattend ako ng Bhakti Vriksha. Okay? Kasi walang ganito sa aking pinanggalingan. So, I feel very so much happy, no? Kasi sa community na to, we are all speaking about Krishna conscious topics and sharing our realization and na purify tayo through that. Okay, so and application ko naman sa related sa nabasa is pagkagising, chant the holy name and Harikatha every day. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So, ayun, meron din silang Missing Hadev na na necklace. Ayan, meron ding Guru Parampara. Mga ref magnet yata to. And cartals, meron ding cartals. Ayan. And mga chanting bag. Ayan. And chanting beads. Neck beads. Ayan. Ito yung ginawa kong necklace. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo magpa-customize, magpa-customize na kayo. Ayan. Neck bead ulit. Ito, hindi ito binibenta. Gamit yan dito. Pero ang ganda ng cartels, oh. Ayan. And, mga chanting beads din. So, after ng program, ayan, syempre, meron vegetarian feast. Okay, prasadam. Alright. So, after neto, uwian na. Hare Krishna. Okay, so, ito yung prasad ngayon. Ayan, thank you so much. Juice. Parang kalamansi juice yata to. And, soup. Ayan, may rice, may pakora, may fruits. Tama ba? Pakora, fruits, and sabji. Ayan. So, ayan lang. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So, pauwi na ako. 9:30 na ng gabi. So, medyo nag-enjoy makipag kwentuhan sa mga devotees. So, ngayon, pauwi na ako. Lakad lang tayo. Exercise. Exercise sa gabi. Okay, so maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-follow. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. And kita-kita tayo sa next video. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.